Matt, it's been a while since you've talked about storms in the forecast, but my goodness, tomorrow it looks like we're kind of in for a little bit of something.
It does look like the chances there for some scattered strong to severe storms. Yeah, it's been a couple showers here and there is all we've had as of late, and it looks like now we're looking at just that, a couple showers right now. These are up into parts of eastern and southeastern Republic County, west of Haddam still. Then another shower that's been trying to hold together between St. Mary's and Maple Hill. And I see it right over the river right now. It is nearly gone. It was a little heavier as it came out just north of Paxico. That continues to move to the northeast and fizzle out as it does so. Earlier showers and storms developed farther to the south. Today, the risk for severe weather is well to the west over western Kansas. Tomorrow, it shifts to the east right over the top of us with a slight risk around the western and extreme southern areas, but most of the viewing area and the enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow. And it looks like the threats will have for Tuesday afternoon and evening an isolated tornado possible if a storm can get more structured, individualized. Otherwise, they group up together and we get a more of a likelihood for damaging winds. Also, hail and heavy rain will be possible with those thunderstorms late in the day tomorrow. Right now, it is a muggy, hazy, partly cloudy sky over Manhattan, mostly sunny in Junction City. We've had those southeasterly breezes across the area today, and we cooled off to 84 as those thunderstorms popped up close to Topeka, produced about 1/10 of an inch of rain at Billard Airport. High today was only 86, down a few degrees because of the clouds and the showers. Other areas have made it into the 90s. It's still 90 at Marysville, 90 at Clay Center, 89 in Manhattan. You look at these temperatures from mid-80s to near 90 degrees, and then we factor in the humidity, and everywhere is in the lower 90s because the humidity is running high in those areas that cooled off and fairly high everywhere else. And so everyone kind of enduring those lower 90 heat index values right now. FUTURETRACK humidity tomorrow morning, quite muggy once again through most of the day. That push of drier air from the west is what's going to help trigger some thunderstorms late afternoon and evening. Once that finally pushes through, we may actually see, at least for part of the day on Wednesday, notice how the humidity levels drop to the south and we actually dry out a little bit. Don't expect that to be a nice thing because when we look at temperatures, we'll start out in the low 70s tomorrow, mid to upper 80s at lunchtime, on to a high in the lower 90s. Then some storms fire up, some of those strong to severe. Following that up, an even hotter day as we head into Wednesday. So we may cool off a little bit or dry out a little bit. We do not cool off. We actually heat up Wednesday. Showers moving off to the east over the area. We are tracking the system out to the west, bringing that unsettled weather to the east, and that gives us that chance for scattered storms tomorrow during the late afternoon and evening hours. About a 60% chance for those scattered storms tomorrow, high right around 90. Look at that though, 98 degrees, not as humid. Well, that's what does it matter at that point, right? 98 and hot on Wednesday, 95 on Thursday, and then lower 90s all the way into the weekend. Looks like our best chance for some showers and storms will be late in the day for tomorrow. A couple of weather photos of the isolated shower north of Topeka late yesterday from Larry Fisher. Beautiful sunset at Pomona Lake from Gary Hoffsummer, and a sky over Topeka that is partly cloudy from Shirley Baxley. Also want to say a quick hello to the students that were out as a part of the Shawnee County Sheriff Department's Youth Academy over at Shawnee Heights High School. Had a chance to talk to them about severe weather and severe weather safety, and of course show them the KSNT storm tracker as a part of that. It was steamy hot though while we were out there for that one, I can tell you that much. That's part of our kids learning about the weather program, brought to you by Dr. Nina Murray Clary at Pediatric Smiles.
If I were one of those kids, I'd be like, wrap it up, Matt. We've had enough of this.
I told him, I said, half of what we're going to do, we're going to explain to you what we're going to see outside from inside the air conditioning, then we'll go outside.
Good call.